Hi, my name is Jeff and I'm the Tropical Garden Guy. Today we're going to take a look at a new red wax jambu I purchased online as a replacement for one I did about, probably 8 months ago. But first, if you like this channel, make sure to hit the like, subscribe button, and the notification bell. Comments and questions, leave them in the comment section below. Let's take a look at this replacement red wax jambu that is frankly much better. It's happened to me many times. I study up on different kinds of tropical fruit trees. I see online people talking about a certain exotic, but nothing is available locally. Even at the Lowe's and the Home Depot, which sometimes has tropical fruit trees in my area, there's just not anything that I would be willing to pay for. So I did a search online and I found a nursery, an online nursery in Florida that does sell tropical fruit trees to California. And that's rare because they do certify them and they ship them, and the shipping is quite reasonable. The only problem is when I received the tree from the United States Post Office, my goodness, the thing was smashed. And being one of those tropical fruit tree nuts, I just had to have another. And here is the replacement. So let's take a look. The unboxing. Wow. First glance, it's beautiful. You know, the leaves don't look all deteriorated or anything like that. Let's see. Usually there's a stick in. Most people, yep, there it is. There's a big bamboo stick to keep them from folding up, and it also helps to get these things out of the. Look at that. Gorgeous. There we have it. Red wax jambu. So let's pot this thing up and I'll show you how I do it. So here we have the wax jambu. Red wax jambu. It's a beautiful tree. I mean, I'm gonna go on a scale of 1 to 10. This is about, can't believe how beautiful this thing is. And as you can see, he's got it, he shipped it wrapped in wet newspapers. And I mean, I'll let you guys do the evaluating. What do you think? Beautiful tree. The whole thing weighs a little over 10 pounds. And it's quite healthy. Other than right there where it looks like it got smashed when he put the lid on. This thing is, I mean, could you complain about that? He has this, they put this bamboo stake in there to keep it from, help it keep it from being folded like an accordion. I'm gonna say, based on the size of that root ball, this was a 7-gallon plant. So here's the potting mix that we use. I take Miracle Grow Moisture Control potting soil, and I mix it with 50% perlite, and that's what I use for short-term potting. I always like to put a little bit of water in my potting mix, so it's easier for, a lot of times if you just put your potting soil in dry, it won't wet properly. So yeah, you want to make sure you do it that way. Let's see, we got that guy almost straight. So there we go. We're gonna water this guy in really good. you go. This guy's very beautiful. I'm very happy with this. So, in my opinion, one of the reasons why this plant made it through the United States Postal Service so well was the heavy-duty box that Aaron at Rivers of Provision Nursery in Florida, it's a very heavy-duty box. So all of you guys out there that do nursery work and stuff like that, make sure to use a heavy-duty box, because I don't believe that the United States Postal Service could smash this thing even if they wanted to. Well, maybe they could, but this gives you every opportunity to make it through the mail. My name is Jeff. I'm the Tropical Garden Guy. Make sure to hit that like, the subscribe button, the notification bell. Comments and questions, leave them in the comment section below. I do my best to get back to everybody's comments and questions. And you have a wonderful day.